Yay! Good girl. Yes. Where you going? Are you gonna go forward? Oh, you look like you. Strong girl. Up, up. We're wobbling. Oh.
Somebody's gotta go forward.
Come on. Go. Come on. Come on, you're making a puddle of drool there.
I'm trying.
I think he's inching forward.
Yay! Uh-oh. The anchor's getting wobbly. Oh, down.
Big one forward.
Get up and do it again. Up, up, up. Yes, there you go.
Yeah, Eric, I should get some of her knees good now.
Go, go, go. And up again. Woo.
See, when she does that over and over, it strengthens her.